Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 8 by Seraphic Era Publications. Let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 8, Inventions by Chance. Some of the world's greatest inventions were achieved through accidents, यानी कि उन चीज़ों के इन्वेंशन के लिए कभी किसी ने सोचा नहीं था, लेकिन वो इन्वेंशंस अचानक होगी बाय चांस और बाय एनी एक्सीडेंट. Learn more about how some experiments that seemed to go wrong, they actually resulted in the products that changed our lives. The first we are talking about is Percy Spencer. He was what? He was an engineer at a company called Raytheon, and he invented the microwave oven. Working with electric and magnetic waves, noticed that the chocolate bar in his pocket had melted because of the heat produced. He thus made the first microwave by passing these waves through a closed metal box. Moving on to the second one, George de Mestral, a Swiss engineer, he discovered Velcro after he noticed how some sticky seeds stuck to his dog's collar when he took him out for a walk. Now next, after studying under the microscope how the seeds had tiny hooks to grip onto the clothes, he then applied the same principle to develop the Velcro. It is used as a fastener for clothes, bags and other items, and this is the image of the Velcro. Nowadays Velcro is also used in our shoes in order to put the buckle. The third one is US chemist Leo Baekeland. He was experimenting with the synthetic substances. Then he discovered that if he heated it and let it cool, it formed a solid which did not dissolve in water. So he invented something which did not dissolve in water and not soften easily when heated. He named this material bakelite, which was derived from his name itself. Baekeland was his last name, and he invented this material known as the bakelite, and it was later renamed as plastic. Moving on to the fourth image, we have, can you see the person is putting something in the cup? Let's read about it. The Russian chemist Konstantin Fallberg was experimenting with preservatives while eating a bread roll. Now then what it discovered was that the bread had been sweetened because of the substance left on his hands. An observation led to the discovery of the world's first artificial sweetener, also called as the saccharin. So what is this person putting in the cup of tea or milk? He is putting the artificial sweetener which is known as the saccharin. Then moving on to the next, we have Harry Brearley. Now Harry Brearley, he was a British metallurgist and was working on a task to find a metal that did not rust so that the gun parts could be made to last longer. And most of his attempts failed and his pile of scrap metal grew up. Now it is believed that one day he chanced upon one piece of the pile that had not developed rust. तो उन्हें क्या हुआ, जब उन्होंने इतने सारे मेटल स्क्रू को, स्क्रैप को पाइल अप कर लिया, एक दिन जब बाय चांस वो उसके ऊपर से गुजरे, एंड ही फाउंड दैट दिस पीस ऑफ मेटल विच he was thinking of a scrap, it did not develop rust. Rust means jung lag jana. Okay, this was the basis of the invention of stainless steel. What do we use in our kitchen in order to eat our food in it? We use the metal known as the stainless steel. Alexander Fleming, a Scottish bacteriologist. He was a bacteriologist. He invented the antidote known as the penicillin. It's a medicine which is used to fight bacteria in the body. When he accidentally left behind a laboratory dish with the influenza virus in the open and went on a holiday. Now upon his return, that means when he came back, he saw that a mold developed on the dish. उन्होंने देखा कि डिश के ऊपर एक मोल्ड डेवलप हो गया है, around which the bacteria was not able to grow, जिसके चारों तरफ बैक्टीरिया आगे ग्रो नहीं कर पाया. This mold juice secreted from the mold led to the discovery of penicillin. The fungus from which the penicillin is obtained is known as penicillium. Then moving on to the last invention, we are talking about number 7. American chemist Harry Cooper was attempting to make a transparent plastic gun sights to help the soldiers in the World War II to improve their aim. Now when he made an extremely strong glue, this glue dried very quickly, thus leading to the invention of the super glue. So let's begin with the quiz time now. The quiz time says that name the inventors of the following. The first, we are looking at the image of an X-ray, and this was invented by Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen. The next is Teflon. The pan is covered with a coating and we call this pan with a Teflon coating. Then it was developed by Roy J. Plunkett. Then third is the image of a fountain pen which was invented by Louis Waterman. Next, moving on to the safety elevator, and it was invented by Elisha Graves Otis. So with this, we now complete the quiz time. Moving on to the quick fact now. The quick fact says that in the year 1895, the German physicist W.C. Roentgen was working with a tube of cathode rays and he accidentally found the unknown rays, and he named the rays as the X radiation or the X rays, signifying the unknown nature. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1901. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.